Hi everyone, this is the Unspeakable from Innerscapes Art Studios. I painted this painting on Friday, and Friday was a most amazing day. I reluctantly went to a funeral in the morning. The service was planned weeks ago. My friend had passed away 6 weeks ago. She wasn't a close friend, but she was someone I knew for quite some time. And for certain complications, she could not be buried until this week. Part of those complications were the water in the grounds and um, the flooding that was happening here in California. The funeral was so amazing. I had so much resistance to going. And when I got there, the day was so clear and bright and beautiful. It was a small gathering, and it was as if this friend was there, completely felt her spirit and her love. And her body was being lowered to the ground, and yet her heart and spirit was all around us. It made me cry. It made me realize there is a part of me that will live on and people will feel it when I'm gone. And then there's another part of me that does my daily chores and paints and makes videos. That part will go, but there's another part that will linger and live in the hearts of the people that I know. I was deeply touched by the events at this gathering. And this painting is not about that, but I came home, sat quietly, picked the colors that were already mixed, and this came out. It's an interesting painting because it's very different. It dried very differently. It moved all night long. And it's more like a painting than a pour. And I feel like there is a lot of love in it. So I'm very grateful for all of you, and thank you for joining me, and I'll see you in the next video.